The glue dries clear, so I mean it's not gonna be visible. I gotta turn this on around. I'll set the cuckoo clock up when I'm done, and it'll hopefully be fine. I gotta redo the God darn, making a mess again. All over the counter. I gotta redo the chiming works in it because it's out of time now from me moving the hands in it not being able to cuckoo. So I'll redo the cuckoo works before I put it back together. Wouldn't have to do that if I would have just took off the hands in the first place, but that's fine. Okay. And yeah. Next up is the 4 eyes, which is can be one of these. So I gotta have XII.
So VVI 44.
It's a what? It's 4 eyes for. It's not.
3 eyes is for 3, and then it's a V
for 4. No, it's 4 eyes. It's 4 eyes.
Is it?
Yeah. It's just how unfamiliar with numerals we are. Okay, I'm just trying to not waste numerals here. I'm limited. So I gotta have an X and an I for the 11 numeral. But at that point, might as well go ahead and just create an X because I don't have an X for the for number 10.